Hello ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a fantastic day and welcome to the Tundra Trd 34 YouTube channel. We have a little news update for you folks that are looking to do a lift or a special build on your 2022 and soon to be 2023 Toyota Tundra. Back about November 2021 at the SEMA show, Toyota introduced the TRD lift kit that was supposed to come out in summer 2022. Well, it was a little delayed, but we finally have a part number, and as you will see momentarily, it is available all over the web, including Sparks Parts. Now, the good news about Sparks Parts is you could use my promo code TundraDude34 to save 5%. Now, they are coming in, so at first they may be hard to get, but they are on their way and they are starting to see them show up. So, before we even get into what the TRD lift kit is, in case you don't know, let's talk about the part number and the price. Because Toyota said this kit would be around $4,000 to add to your 2022 Tundra. PTCCY-34000. PTCCY-34000. All you need to do is go to sparksparts.com, put that item number or part number into the search bar, and it will pop up. MSRP just under $4,000. The sale price, $2,351.86. Once again, TundraDude34 promo code. It will save you 5%. I know how long a lot of you have been waiting for this part. We've talked about this for a very long time, and I constantly get emails asking if it's out there yet. So this is what you're going to get if you end up going with the TRD lift kit. So it's genuine TRD design and developed, and it has Bilstein tuned front and rear shocks, taller front coil springs, forged upper control arms by Roush, front lower knuckles, front stabilizer links, front outer tie rods, front tie rod sleeves, front extended drive shafts, front jounce bumpers, extended brake flex hoses, rear spring spacers. Now, the off-road capability improvements with this lift, which is a 3-inch lift, by the way. Frame ground clearance will be an additional 2.6 inches. Approach angle will be 5 degrees better. Departure angle will be 1 degree better, and breakover angle 2 degrees better. This is the best part of all of this. It's fully compliant with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, and you still get a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. Now, when Toyota was showing off this new TRD lift kit at SEMA last year, they were using a CrewMax Limited 2022, so you could see what this lift does for the truck. It gives it a way more aggressive stance, a nice even stance as well. 3-inch lift once again, and here's a good shot of the front. You know, with a really good tire, it really makes it look amazing. If you get something, you know, some people like the mud terrains, but if you get a nice aggressive all-terrain look, Nitto Ridge Grappler or BFG KO2, it's really going to make this truck look unique and impressive. Here's a side shot of what it looks like with that lift. It feels like, and I've done videos on this since this new truck has come out, it feels like when you put a lift, wheel, and tire package on it, it really brings the truck to life and makes it look very aggressive. I'm a big fan of it. Here's another shot of the rear once again. The stance is completely different. It looks like a completely different truck. And that seems to be the secret with this new generation. You give it a little bit of a lift, nothing too crazy, something like this, and it really brings out what we all want to see with this new generation Tundra, a really aggressive off-road look. You know, the price, it's not the cheapest price in the world, as is with all these parts now. But you know what? The best part is you get to keep your warranty. You know, and Toyota Safety Sense is compliant with it because there are some lifts out there, especially the last generation when they came out, Toyota Safety Sense, that the lifts would interfere with it. So this is all a big win. If you want to keep it, Toyota genuine parts, this is the way to do it. We've waited a long time on this. Once again, PTCCY-34000. I'm going to put this link in the description below. $2,351. You know, if you want to add that to cart and see, contact Sparks Parts directly and see how long it'll take to get the lift kit. Now may be a good time in case it is one of those things that gets back ordered, or you know, so many people order it, there's a long waiting list. But it is now out there. It is now almost here. Hopefully by Christmas you could get it on your Toyota Tundra. I would love to see what everybody's truck starts to look like. And once again, this is going to bring out the beast in your truck with a nice lift, and you get to keep your warranty intact with no issues with that or Toyota Safety Sense. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something you're interested in, or will you go a different direction in lift or are you going to leave it stock? Can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. Until next time, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. Guys, have a great day. Be safe, be well, and don't forget, I will put that link down in the description below. Have a good one.